Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to go through the unboxing, setup and calibration of our RAY intraoral scanner. Our scanner comes equipped with user manual, 3 additional tips, your intraoral scanner, and there's a lower component which has the control box, your cradle base, your cradle holder which holds the intraoral scanner, your calibrator kit, and your power cord. Today we're going to be assembling our intraoral scanner. Firstly, let's begin by assembling our base and cradle. This will be used to hold our intraoral scanner in place. Next, let's begin by using the control box and let's attach the USB cord directly to your laptop. Next, you're going to connect your intraoral scanner to your control box. And then lastly, you're going to attach your power outlet or your power AC cord directly into your control box. Now that your machine is all set up, let's do a calibration set. Firstly, you're gonna lift your intraoral scanner from the cradle, lift the cradle handle, and you're gonna insert your calibrator device into the cradle base. Next, you're gonna make sure that your number 1 is aligned with the line on the cradle. Thirdly, you're gonna pop the lid off the cradle, and then you're gonna pull the tip off of the intraoral scanner and insert it in a downward position into your calibrator. Next, the computer is going to prompt you to start or begin calibration. To begin calibration process, you would need to follow the instructions on the computer. Your line must be twisted to the next number on your calibrator and you should press OK on your computer. So slowly twist to number 2, hit OK. Slowly twist to number 3, hit OK. Now that your device is fully calibrated, you can go ahead and use your intraoral scanner.